Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Let's make oat fufu today. Here I have some oat flour which I got from grinding my oats. I have some rolled oats here, so just grind this into powder to make our fufu. So to make the fufu, I start by boiling some water. When the water boils, take out a little in case it's going to be, so that it will not be much for the fufu, or so that you will use it later. Just take out little water and then go ahead and start pouring the oat flour into the remaining hot water on the stove. Pour as much as you want to make.
A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace. Gentle notes like a summer breeze. Chopping sounds in harmony. Kitchen tune so heavenly.
Then mix until everything comes together.
Soft piano keys like simmering stew. Warmth in every melody flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams. Cooking life's most tender themes.
After mixing it very well, thereby you will no longer see raw oat flour in it. Then we add water to cook it till done.
Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare.
The water also depends on how you want it. If you want it very soft, then you have to add more water to it. If not, add a little water, cover and cook it for about 7 minutes on low heat.
Calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh. Golden crust, soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each.
After about 7 minutes, then it is time to stir it very well. Stir it, turn it until no more water in it. And if you feel it is still hard, because oats gets harder as it stays. So if you're not eating it immediately, you can still add a little more water to it so that it will remain soft.
Key of spice, conjure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found.
Our oat fufu is ready. If you're eating it immediately, just serve into a plate. But if you're not eating it immediately, then we have to wrap it. And that's what I'm doing here. Wrap it so that it doesn't get cold, because when it gets cold, it will get strong or hard.
Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound.
Dear treasures, here we have our oat fufu. Very simple to make, but very yummy. You can enjoy this with any soup of your choice. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.
Where love for food is truly profound.